Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use the Google Nest Mini speaker as a Bluetooth device. So on our Google Home application we have to select our speaker. Next, tap on this settings icon and go for the device features, and we have to select audio. Right now click to pair Bluetooth devices, and let me just unselect this one, and we have to click to enable pairing mode. As you can see right now the indicators are blinking. It means that right now this device is in pairing mode and it's visible to other devices via Bluetooth. So I'm gonna make it on this phone. Basically we have to open the Bluetooth on the device that you want to connect this speaker, and as you can see after a few moments it will appear on the list. That's the name, the bathroom speaker. So when you click on it once, you will be able to pair it by the Bluetooth, and right now you can hear this notification sound, and also you can play any sounds right here. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.